Difu Press Club pen National Press Day kata London. Pini Difu Press Club ahin pen langkung habe Memorial Town Hololong National Press Day kata London. Labang sodai mekalong KC ACM Dr. Tuiram Ronghang MP Horen Singh be lapen MLA Dorsing Ronghang atum cetongdun. MLA Dorsing Ronghang penadrok media atum arpu koan sikit he alam he hui than tekang. Daldali pen betala papelanke Abraham Deso report.
Mr. President on this chair, the most energetic, dynamic President Borsing Rongphar. He has been guiding us all in a very beautiful way so that we can serve the populace of this district in a much better way than other pressmen and reporters. On the dais, veteran pressman, editor, Hills Times, Mr. Chauhanji. Present on the dais, Sushant Roy, one of the senior most journalists of this district, Kamal Ronghang. I'm honored to be standing before you, and thank you, Mr. Nathan Ronghang, for giving me an opportunity to talk to you all directly on this Red Letter Day. As you know, my friends, on this Red Letter Day, National Press Council of India was formed. It's a day we should be proud of ourselves. How we can be proud? We are recognized as a fourth pillar of democracy. We can help the government to run smoothly, to govern the people of this nation, citizen of this nation beautifully by pointing out the government, the errors, the rights, the wrongs, etc. Always stand tall in discharging our duty. We should always think for the common people. We should always think for the betterment of common populace of this nation. Then only we can have a beautiful and all-round developed society.
Most active Manila. Oh, handle. Oh. Next, labangke Karbi today. Lopson kerang Karbi today. Bangun alang lipan pagi report. Horen Singh be MP ake hai. Bang Sophie Hilson boleh. Alang lipan pajuri bangke MLA ake hai Rup Singh Charon. Non next adun tu nong e pajurgi Gonesor Timum Kido Life lang lipan ki pajurgi bangke Dorsing Ronghang MLA Kido Life aduh nalo megdang ye tong lo Itu live. Safety. Tunjuk safety apa? Safety bola. Mau adun tu, kepa jurge bang.